मेरा नाम प्रणव थरेजा है. I'm in class 12E. I have commerce, and today I attended this session. From the last month, I've lost all hopes of accounts. I've taken AI and PE as my fifth and sixth subject because I lost hope in accounts. I've changed 2+ accounts teachers for my tuition. I've tried 5+ YouTube teachers, but it didn't happen for me. I've lost all hope. But today, I had some motive. I had some flash in my eyes that I could do something. Seeing his energy, seeing his motivation, seeing his tips and tricks, and the questions he told, the topics he said, everything was so motivating. The video, and most of all, the manifestation which we did together ignited the spark in me. That told me that maybe even after losing everything, I do have something to gain. I haven't lost everything yet. There's still time to do something. So I just want to thank you
So
from the
sweet, Bachchu.
bottom of my
So
heart.
sweet.